The Happy Rabbit. Once upon a time, in a big forest, there was a happy rabbit named Rosie. Rosie liked to hop around and explore the forest. One sunny day, Rosie found a little bird. The bird looked lost and sad. Rosie decided to help the bird find its home. Rosie and the bird went on an adventure together. They walked through the forest looking for the bird's nest. Along the way, they became good friends. Finally, they found the bird's nest high up in a tree. The bird was happy to be home again. Rosie felt happy too, knowing she helped her new friend. From that day on, Rosie and the bird were best friends. They explored the forest together and had many more adventures. They knew that as long as they had each other, they could do anything.